I brought you this Suno rival called MusicGPT a while back, and the response from you guys was incredible. But today, we're doing something completely different. Most people treat AI music tools like a black box. You type in a prompt, you get a generic song, and you move on. But today, I'm going to push MusicGPT into a very specific use case. We're going to direct the sound design of an entire horror movie scene within this platform itself. This is not just about generating a song. We're going to design a full soundscape, music, atmosphere, Foley, and even character dialogue, all working together like a real production pipeline. But before we even begin, I need to show you why I call MusicGPT a production studio rather than just a generator. Here we are in the dashboard. If you open the Tools drop-down right here, this is where things change. There you have a sound generator and a text-to-speech tool as well. And below that, you'll see features like Remix, Replace, and Add Vocals. These are not typical one-click generation features. These are editing tools. They let you iterate, refine, and surgically adjust your output instead of gambling on randomness. And that shift from generation to iteration is what makes this workflow powerful. So let's build our scene. I'm imagining a horror movie moment where someone is hiding in the dark, being hunted by something unknown. You know, something in that Halloween kind of territory with a Michael Myers-style presence. Alright, everything starts with the background. I'm going into the Create tab, and in the prompt box, I'm going to be very intentional. The goal here is to avoid anything that feels generic or overproduced. I'll type a detailed prompt for the horror scene that I have envisioned. Now this settings panel. This is where most people leave quality on the table. I'm setting both prompt intensity and lyrics intensity to 90. That tells the model to follow the structural and tonal instructions much more strictly, and it helps preserve that unstable, fragile, human emotional delivery in the performance. I need a voice to describe the scene, so I'll keep the instrumental toggle off and generate. Here we are. Let's listen to what came up.
Cold teeth of the silence press hard when I think it's in the walls. It's in the wires of this house. Breathing my breath, finishing my thoughts out loud. I hear my voice from a mouth that isn't mine. It's in the walls, scratching on the other side.
This is not a loop. You can hear the progression, the gradual layering. It establishes unease. The violins introduce friction, and that heartbeat rhythm anchors the pacing of the scene. And those vocals, they're not stable. It's a breathy, trembling voice, and that fits the vibe perfectly. Most tools would default to something synthetic or overly cinematic in a generic way, but MusicGPT actually understands the language of horror. Now that we have the score, we need to build the environment, because in horror, what you don't see and what you barely hear is what creates tension. I'm gonna click on the drop-down menu here, and I'm switching to the sound generator. Here, we can create sound effects or sound samples to accompany our main creation. So, I'm picturing us hearing a couple of footsteps before the song begins, just to gradually build the tension of the scene. Here, I'm gonna type a prompt. High-fidelity Foley. Slow, heavy leather boots walking on old, dry, creaky wooden floorboards in an echoing room. The wood must creak with every step. I'll set the duration to 10 seconds and generate 2 variations. Listen to the detail here. You can hear the weight of the steps. The wood isn't just making noise, it's reacting. There's space in the room. There's air. It feels physical. The sound is realistic and not exactly consistent, so syncing it with a pre-made visual might be difficult, so it may need some trimming around. And hey, you can always regenerate. And now, how about we end the footsteps section with some glass shattering? Let's just type that in, set it to 5 seconds, and hit create. That glass shatter was not a flat sound. You can hear the transient impact first, and then the scatter of individual glass fragments hitting the surface. I love the detail, and it gives us a perfect dramatic punctuation point to end the intro. Editors usually spend hours searching for something like this in stock libraries, and even then, it rarely matches the vibe perfectly. Here, you just describe the physics of the scene, and MusicGPT builds it for you. Okay, now we have our background score, the scary footsteps as an intro, and the glass shattering. It's already a solid horror setup. Now, let's include some vocal interruption. Looking at the lyrics, I think just before the chorus would be a great moment to introduce our villain. For this, I'm going to switch to the text-to-speech tool. MusicGPT gives you a massive voice library, but for this scene, I need something controlled, low, and creepy. But here's the best thing. If the voice you're looking for is not available in the voice library, you can just upload a reference audio or even record your own voice to clone it. Here in the voice library, I'm gonna go to My Voices and hit the plus button. I'm gonna upload a small portion of an evil voiceover I already have. The AI processes it, and just like that, our voice is now ready. I'm gonna select it and type a scary line. Okay, let's generate that.
You can't hide from me.
Whoa, that's really terrific. I love how MusicGPT has cloned the vocal texture and the grit in the tone so accurately. It doesn't sound like a clean studio read. It sounds like someone standing in the same room as you. Now for the final moment, the jump scare. I'm thinking we end the scene with a maniacal laugh, like the moment he finds the woman hiding. Can we do it within the same text-to-speech engine with the voice locked in? I don't know. Let's try it. I'm gonna instruct within brackets, and let's see what happens.
You can't hide from me.
Okay, it's the same voice. But unfortunately, instead of giving me a laugh, the AI has interpreted it as text, which honestly makes sense. So I'm going to go back to the sound generator and type in a very specific prompt for a maniacal laugh. A chilling, deep-chested, maniacal male laugh. It starts as a low chuckle and builds into a loud, unhinged cackle that echoes in a large, empty stone hallway. The laugh must end abruptly with sharp silence. 10 seconds and generate. That ending, that hard cut to silence, is what makes it land. Not just the sound, but the absence of sound immediately after. Even though we couldn't use the exact same voice as before, this one is still very effective. Okay, now let's step back and look at what we just built. Inside one browser tab, we created a cinematic score, realistic sound effects, and character-driven dialogue. In a traditional workflow, this would require multiple tools, music libraries, SFX platforms, voice actors, and several editing passes. And every step adds cost, time, and friction. That's the creator tax. MusicGPT removes a huge part of it. And on top of that, everything you generate comes with commercial rights. You can publish, monetize, and scale this without worrying about content ID issues or licensing headaches. You own the output. Alright, so here's the final sequence.
Cold teeth of the silence.
You can't hide from me.
It's in the wires of this house, breathing my breath, finishing my thoughts out loud. I hear my voice from a mouth that isn't mine. It's in the wall, scratching on the other side.
That's not just a generated music track, that's directed sound design. And that's the difference. So here's my challenge to you. I have dropped the link to MusicGPT in the description. Go there and start with a free account. Push the prompt intensity. Be specific. Think like a director, not just a user. Don't settle for generic audio. Build something intentional. By the way, if you want to take this further, come join us over at the AI with Tech Snap community. We just opened up our official Discord server and Patreon. It's a place for us to hang out, share what we're creating, and help each other grow. Whether you're a free member or looking to support the channel, I'd love to see you there. Head over to the Patreon link in the description to grab your Discord invite and get started. If this walkthrough gave you a new perspective on what AI audio can actually do, consider subscribing for more deep dives like this. I'll see you in the next one.